Hello guys, if you watch this video it's because you're about to learn how to do a video of your screen and yourself for telling me things about your video game review. So let's see how it works. First of all, you have to go on screencast-o-matic. So you will have to write it like this on the internet, select it. This is the first one on Google. Screencast-o-matic screen recorder and video editor. Because it's your first time, you have to sign up. It's free. You will sign it with Google because it's more simple. Then you will have to select your username. And after all, you have a lot of options. You can take a screenshot of your screen. You can edit the movies that you want, but you don't have to do those kind of stuff. You just will make a recording. So when you click on it,